Hello, I'm going to show you how to do a Poppins hip carry. So this is really handy carry to do when you have babies who want to have visibility. They want to be on the hip, so that gives them a lot more visibility and it's really lovely and comfortable. So I'm going to start with the middle marker, kind of like on my hip here. Bring the fabric across my back. I'm using a size 4 here, but you could probably do that with a size 3 depending on your size, but it's okay if you have a longer wrap as well. You just like wrap the tails around your lower back until there's nothing dangling. I'm going to bring this tail under the dangling static tail, and here I'm going to gather it a little bit and I'm going to pop it over like this. So basically I would have kind of like a double pocket, and then I'm going to either tie on my back, tie on my side. Depending on the length, you can tie wherever you want. I just do a single knot so that I still got some leeway to tighten. And I prepare my double pocket. I'm going to sit baby in there. So you can prepare your carry as much as you need. Sit your baby on your hip, bum lower than the knees, like this, close enough to kiss the top of the head, and then you're going to spread both passes across the back, like this. Sit your baby in a very nice deep sit is important, so they're well supported. And then I'm just going to go in my slack around, so I'm just going to pull like this. So pull the fabric across the tail and try to keep my tension like this. Okay, when I feel this nice and tight, I can start to guide the slack back to my knot, and then keep going basically until you've removed all your slack. I've got a little bit more here. I'm just going to bring it across my back like this. Okay, I'm good, and then I can tighten here. So I like to pull my knot strand by strand, so it gives me a nice and even finish and tension, sorry. So pull bit by bit like that. When you feel this nice and comfy, you can spread your shoulder, and let's do a double knot as well for safety, but also so that it doesn't come loose after a while. Like this. If your wrap is quite long, you don't have to tie just like down the side. You can just guide all your slack, and when you're ready, you can cross. You can bring one tail over one leg, the other under the second leg to create a leg pass, and then here you should be able to tie on your back, and that would very much depend on the length of your wrap. Okay, so see what works for you and just experiment like this. What's nice about this is that it gives me even more support, so I can spread a bit more, giving me a nice lift. There you go. It's a really gorgeous carry. I really love it. Super comfortable. You can have your baby more to the hip or more to the front when they fall asleep. There you go. Thank you.